or create a new line as well as clear the buffer. So here I type it default constructor, okay, name is P008 for our verifications. This is not a constant, this is just consider this is type as or consider. Okay, next I want make a one derived class. Before I put upper till characters, upper till character is identifier of destructor. So this is called as destructor. Okay, so here I put it, here also I put it. Now base class program coding is over. Now I want try to develop derived class. Derived class name is, you know that, P008B. okay, here also I change it, okay, B, and then okay, derived class is program coding is also over. Now this is not derived class, this is one of the non-inheritance class. How I tell them, here we are not make a relationship. So here I want try to make a relationship. So public and then P008A. Now here this is P008 as base class, P00B as derived class. Okay, P00AB is derived class of P008A. That's all. So P008 is a P008 is a base class. It's a base class of which one? P00B. Are you clear? P00B is a P008 is a base class of B000B. Sorry, 8B. 8. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Now here again I type it. P00A is a base class of P008B. P008B is a derived class of P008 as well as P008B is also base class of P008C. Are you clear? P008C is a derived class of P008B. Are you clear? Okay. So here I put it. Now we are entering into develop C derived class. Here I mention P008B is a base class to P008C derived class. Now I develop constructors. Here also I develop the constructors. Okay. Now I want try to make a one object. Before I want give CLRCR. Okay. CLRSCR, yes. What is the purpose of CLRSCR? Then I want clear previous program outputs from output screen. So here I want make a object to grandson derived class. Grandson derived class. Are you clear? Name is PZ. Okay, object. This is enough. So okay. See here, program is over. Now this object initially processed inside of the derived class, name is P008C. Now entering into here, before entering into the base class, before entering into a base class, that cursor before entering into grandson base class, P008 transaction cursor into P008B, P008B transfer cursor into P008, P008A, watch it out, the constructor is found or not, constructor found then processed. Now cursor return back to P008B, P008B, watch it out, consider is found or not, sorry, constructor is found or not, constructor is found, then process that constructor. Again P008B, return back cursor to P008C. Now P008C, watch it out, constructor is found or not, found, then the second derived class constructor is also processed. Now the output is, now output first process, see here, output should become this 8A, 8B and 8C, first in last out. So this is the formula of single inheritance. So here this is also single inheritance. So first exit derived class, next exit, derived class means grandson derived class, first exit, next exit father derived class, finally exit grandfather derived class. Are you clear? This output should become, we will try in turbo C, we will okay, we will stay in turbo, we will stay in turbo C. Now I entering into turbo C editor, I want change the directory names. Okay, now I open that file. Okay, now file is opened. Now I try to run that programs, run. See here, this output and then this output, both are same. Are you clear? Okay, now I press escape key. Still till program is not entered, program is not entered, then class is also not finished according to this example. Now I press enter key, because of that only, sorry, I repeat, class is not finished, since program is not finished, because of that only destructor is not displayed. Now I want destructor output also, then press escape key. Again I return back to output screen window, press alt F5 key. Now displayed destructor also, since program is finished, class is also finished. When class finished, then destructor is also displayed in output screen. Are you clear? So here, see here, sorry, turbo C output and notepad both output are same. Now I return back to editor window from output screen. Now I close it and then close from buffer, return back to notepad editor. Are you clear this program?